2, 3, funky.
Hey guys, Andrew, and welcome back to my channel. So if you click this video or if you're watching this, then I assume that you like clay rings or you're interested in making one. So this video is perfect for you. Disclaimer, I am not a pro in making clay rings. I'm just a beginner, just like you guys. So that's why I am making this video to help beginners like me into making clay rings. So the tools that we'll be using for today are just found in your home. So yeah, this is a very beginner friendly video, so let's just get started. So the first step in making clay rings is, of course, you need to have a clay, and the type of clay that you need to have is a polymer clay. So you can find polymer clays in Shopee or Lazada, but in my case, I bought mine in the marketplace in Facebook. So I just tried searching for polymer clays there, and then a lot of listings showed. So while I'm filming this video, this package arrived, and I'll just quickly unbox this one. So I got masks from Fashionik PH on Shopee and Instagram also. I have a lot of masks. Their masks are so cute and it really looks good on your face, especially when you wear them. So I love these purple ones, and then we also have red and blue. I also got green, apple green, and then a peach, and then brown, and then black. So this is what it looks like when worn. So yeah, I really love their masks, so you guys should check them out. So this is not sponsored, I just ordered from them and then it arrived today while I'm filming. So yeah, I just thought I'd unbox it. So going back to the video, you need to have a polymer clay, and you can buy it in Shopee or Lazada. But I bought mine in the marketplace in Facebook. So yeah, I bought 2 white polymer clays because I can't afford to buy different colors of clay. So yeah, what I did was I bought 2 white polymer clays, and then I also bought poster colors so that I'll just paint them myself na lang. So you can do that also if you don't have the budget to buy different colors. You can buy just a white polymer clay and then just buy poster colors, so you'll paint the clay pieces yourself na lang. But if you have the budget naman, you can just go with different colors of clay.
it goes a little something like.
My heart is sad and lonely.
Yo.
I have for I have for I have
Yo.
for I have
So to make your clay harden, you need to bake them in an oven. So in my case, we do not have an oven, but we have an oven toaster. I bake my clay pieces there, and then it turns out hard naman. But on your first try, of course, you'll like fail, but that's okay, it's just part of the process. So if you don't have an oven, but you have an oven toaster, you can use that one. But if you don't have an oven toaster, I'm not so sure about microwave. But if you don't have an oven or an oven toaster, you can search up in YouTube like how to bake polymer clay without oven. I think there are a lot of tutorials in YouTube that shows you on how to bake without an oven. So that's the end of our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Please follow me on my Instagram shop at angel.clayrings, and also follow my Instagram account at Ange Pearson. And if you have some orders, just DM me, just message me in my Instagram account or my Facebook account. Love you all, and see you on my next video.